Today we're here at Universal Studios Florida doing our favorite things. And we came prepared. We got jackets.
First thing on our list is to get coffee. So how this works is we're gonna do a thrill ride if we can squeeze it in, our favorite attraction, and then we're gonna try to do something new or something we haven't done in quite a while, so it almost feels brand new.
As often as we come to the parks, this helps us keep things fresh and fun every time. So let's go do it. Alrighty, now that the rain has stopped,
Time to ride some rides.
Our first stop is Revenge of the Mummy. This is always a must-do attraction here at the park. What do you think about it?
It's great. It's a dark ride. It's a roller coaster. It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah. So let's go do it.
All right, unlike Brendan Fraser, we got our cup of coffee and we just got off of the Mummy.
It was so much fun.
It was pretty much a walk-on, and that's kind of the nice part about coming to the parks when it rains is it starts to empty out. People just done for the day. Locals will leave and come back another day. Or they'll come back when it stops raining, but typically the park drains out and it's something to take advantage of for sure. But we're gonna head on over to Gringotts, maybe? It's delayed at the moment. We'll have to see when we get there.
Yeah, Gringotts is still delayed, so we might have to improvise and go to our other spot.
Let's get a butterbeer.
Or the butterbeer ice cream. That is so amazing. I've only gotten it once, to be fair, because the line seems a little intimidating, but the ice cream shop is so small, so there's not a lot of room for the queue. But yeah, this is what...
Updated.
We'll keep you updated. But yeah, this is pretty much what the park looks like after it rains. Everyone's got the ponchos off for now. The ponchos are going to come back on here in a little bit because we currently have a tropical storm just about 255 miles away from us. So this is what happens when you're locals and you get to come to the park during a tropical storm. It's kind of fun so far. Anything can change though. In case you didn't know where Diagon Alley is, because a lot of people don't know, but if you're really a real Harry Potter fan, it's gonna be right through these walls. Come along. You're gonna hear the bricks shifting. Oh, looks like the dragon. Yep, Gringotts is still delayed. Normally when you see a bunch of people waiting outside of the ride or attraction, it's
lined up like that? Yeah.
Yeah, it's down for quite some time, and they're not sure when it's gonna... Oh, we're zoomed in. We're not sure when it's gonna come back up quite yet, so just try to keep posted on the app if you're in the park, but yeah, bummer.
Right by this exit of Diagon Alley, pretty sure that's Dobby. Maybe just a house elf.
I don't think that's Dobby.
Maybe it's a nod to Doggy. It's a nod to Dobby's legacy.
Did you just say doggy?
Yep, sure did.
Check this out though. This is pumpkin juice. It's really good. This is pumpkin juice. I rated an 8 out of 10. It's really good.
I get a sip. It smells like pumpkin. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Try it.
Tastes like pumpkin to me, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's great.
Alright, bro, real question. Is that Dobby?
Let us know in the comments.
It's right here by the exit. I don't know, maybe it's just another house elf. There's some lore that I'm missing, for sure. Somebody who's read all the books, tell me. Tell me what this means. Also, tell me what all these owls mean. Alright, thank you.
Did you see the wand stuff over here?
The dragon.
Oh no.
Oh, never mind. False alarm. How much?
40 minutes.
For what?
So, for E.T.
Oh, it's bright outside. A little flashbang. Golly! The camera even got a flashbang. Couldn't even see anything. Let's see if they're gonna do it. Oh, just barely got it, maybe.
There he is. Oh, that's the house elf.
If you know, you know. If you don't know, go watch Order of the Phoenix.
Now it's time to go save the green planet. We're here at ET Adventure. It's a posted 40-minute wait right now, so let's go check it out. We waited 32 minutes, so a little shy of 40 minutes. I love ET. I think it's a must-do. It's an original opening day attraction here at Universal Studios Florida, so it's the only one left. So yeah, make sure to prioritize that on your trip. But yeah, we have roughly about 15 minutes left till the park closes. We're gonna head straight to Diagon Alley again and go and escape from Gringotts. Here's Kang and Kodos over here. Lewis thinks that Kang and Kodos is better than one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, but I don't.
I just like the commentary on it.
Yeah,
Commentary, the whimsical remarks, the what is it called? Ambience of it all.
yeah, he can't slander one fish, two fish. It's too good. Another thing to add is that as soon as we got in line for ET, Gringotts came right back up. So sometimes you just gotta wait a little bit for rides to come back up, you know? It happens all the time. This is also gonna be the last remnants left of the skyline for Rip Ride Rocket.
It's the last time you're gonna see it. It's currently a 20-minute wait.
Yep. I forgot to record us talking about Gringotts, so it was awesome. We got the front row, and that's just another one of our favorites, like another must-do. It's a very technically advanced ride. Don't want to spoil too much of it,
But yeah, there's just so many moving parts, so it always impresses me every time I get off of that ride how everything functions. So when it goes down, it makes sense why it goes down, because there's just so many things that can go wrong and fault the ride to just stop. So definitely prioritize that above the other rides because of the popularity of the Harry Potter franchise. So yeah, definitely check that one out.
Alrighty. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.